stretch your legs a little bit, and then go and work for a couple hours. So what's up, Carburetors do? I've got a, how much? That came in.
Oh, at the house?
Yeah.
At your house? Oh. Oh, you mean they've been there for a while?
Yeah. My wife's side.
No.
Yeah.
We're blessed, quite frankly. We have 5. Andy's are all in New Zealand, so that's a separate deal.
Yeah.
Bridge 2 girls, every chance we can get them to come and visit with us, we do. And it's happening now because of the stuff. They don't have a home.